Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. If you are new here to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. ORLY Philippines recently sent me their PR kit, and I wasn't expecting it to be so personalized. How cute is this pink ORLY box with ribbon, and not to mention this pretty card with my name on it. I want to thank ORLY Philippines for sending me your PR kit. Now let's open the box. Of course, I won't be cutting the ribbon. Oh my gosh, I'm really loving the card. Okay, so moving on. We have a pretty in pink ORLY box, and on one side it says Made in LA. And on the other side it says Strength in Color. OMG, I'm so excited to open the box. Are you guys ready? And it's ORLY Desert Muse. But let me show you this part first. It says here, ORLY, love your nails. Okay, so we have here Desert Muse, a nail lacquer collection by ORLY. And at the back, oh my name is here too. Okay, so let's read it. Dear Miss Jamel, here's our self-care nail care treat for you. May this gift add color to your day. Inside, you'll find the ORLY collection that brings you the best DIY mani at home and to make your self-care moments colorful and fun. To give girls more self-care ORLY nail inspirations, we would love to share your ORLY mani. Simply tag us ORLY PH. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Love your nails, ORLY PH. Aw, you guys are the sweetest. Thanks, ORLY Philippines. And here we have the Desert Muse collection. It has 6 different shades of creme nail lacquers. At the back of the box, you can see the ingredients of the nail lacquers. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at each of them. Now let's swatch each shade. First, let's swatch Midnight Oasis. By the way, I already applied a base coat before swatching each nail polish. Now for the second coat. Midnight Oasis is a dark gray blue creme shade that also seems to have a deep navy blue shade. Second from this collection is the shade Sagebrush. Now for the second coat. Sagebrush is a dark sage creme shade with a hint of gray. Third is Roam With Me. Now for Roam With Me's second coat. Roam With Me has a rose nude creme shade. Fourth we have is Canyon Clay. And I'm applying the second coat. Canyon Clay is a russet brown creme shade. Fifth shade to swatch from this collection is called Red Rock. Now for Red Rock's second coat. Red Rock has a red burgundy creme shade. And lastly we have is Wild Abandon. Now for the second coat. Wild Abandon has a dark plum creme shade. And now here are my picture swatches. By the way, you can get this collection at Orly Philippines' official Shopee and Lazada. I'll be leaving the link on the description box below. According to orlybeauty.com, Desert Muse collection is inspired by natural desert, landscapes, and the eclectic people who thrive there. Warm clay, rose, and burgundy cremes inspired by a picturesque sunset partner with cool toned sage and midnight blue cremes reminiscent of chilly nights under the desert stars. When the call of adventure beacons, gather those who matter the most and escape into the fantastic world of natural beauty, boldly, chasing that enchanting desert muse. Orly is cruelty-free, vegan, made in USA, and formulated without harmful ingredients. All of them are in 18 ml bottles. It dries super fast and it's very shiny. Most of the shades are perfect one-coaters. Their brush is so soft and it's easy to glide on your nails. These are so pigmented and it's not streaky to apply at all. Now that we're done with swatching, let's try it with stamping plate. I'm so impressed that every shade looks so good in stamping on a white surface. I'm just really blown away. Once again, I want to thank Orly Philippines for sending over their Desert Muse collection, and I'm so happy to swatch this collection for you. And I can't wait to create more nail art using these nail lacquers. Don't forget to follow Orly Philippines on their official accounts, which I'll be linking on the description box below. And that's it! If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!